So I just turned up to my friend's house. That's his garage door open. Just before I leave. Being a bit nosy. Mate! Beautiful! Literal birds flying in the barn with a Ford Cordentina. No joke, there's birds flying here. It is that time. Gorgeous. Gorgeous, 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 gorgeous. Gorgeous. 4-cylinder. Gorgeous. Colours. Bad engine. Obviously he's doing work to it. No rust. Mate! Interior look. I mean, like, that's minor rust problems. Back seats are gone. Car's crying out for money that I can't afford to put that. Something for fun. Yeah. Anyone tell me what you think he should do with it? I'm going to set up a channel for this one.